This may sound a little crazy, but I'm sure both of you have seen these before. No, they are not tongue depressors. They are paint stirrers.
Paint stirrers.
Paint stirrers from... Now,
I don't do my own painting.
I don't know how to paint.
Anyway, I'm sure that you could go to the hardware store and find some.
Okay, go to the hardware store, get 26 of these, one for each letter of the alphabet, and then write the letters of the alphabet on the end. Now, here's what you do. Start playing games with Cree, letter games, make up words. You know, teach him the alphabet by using these, laying them out. But then take it one step farther by using them to organise and alphabetise his book. So what you can do is put all the books on the ground that start with the letter A, for example, and then you lay this next to it, and then he can start making the association of the letter with the book.
And you have an alphabetized bookshelf.
Yeah.
Exactly. Then he will start owning this and start doing this himself.
That's
and he can put the books back correctly and in the right order.
Yeah.
Lovely.
That's it. So you teach him the alphabet, teach him some organising skills, and you no longer have to worry about organising his bookcase. As simple as that.
I love that.